Hey everybody, this is Patrick Lowe of MarineMax Somers Point. Today we're looking at the 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This is the brand new updated model that was just introduced. So this particular boat is powered by a Mercury 400 Verado. Great engine, great performance, great speed, and a lot of you have been asking about bigger horsepower for a while. This has the sea deck here on the swim platform. Still have plenty of maneuverability back here. This is the stone. Great sun pad here on the back. All right. You can also have where your batteries are. Also, too, this is where your battery switches are, and this is also an electric tower. Buttons right here, folded down. Moving into the boat, still remaining with the nice walkthrough. All right, so now you're not walking on top of all the cushions and everything. This has the black powder-coated tower. Tower speakers up top here, so keeping that day out at the sandbar, while tooling around the bay, you can listen to your tunes, have a good time. Still a lot of shade here too, keeping the cockpit nice with those real hot, humid days like today. Great L lounger back and forth, in here. You have a table mount right here, so you have a nice table set up. This is the infinity woven vinyl flooring. And then as we're moving up here forward to the helm, now they really made some nice changes on here. You have a bigger helm chair, still with the thigh rise, but they look at this now. They expanded out the dash. Nice flat screen, twin screens compared to the predecessor, so you can have your GPS, chart plotter, sounder, engine data, everything. Stainless toggle switches, tilt helm, and then moving up forward here now. Now they moved the stereo over here, so this way co-pilot can work the tunes. And then in here, now this is really nice what they did. So they moved the head compartment. Now look at that step down in there. You can use it for storage, changing room, if your significant other's getting out of hand, stuff them down in there, kind of like my camera lady. So now here we're moving forward, okay? So now we have the same thing too with the walkthrough. Your pump out is right here. You have plenty of still with your seating area up front. I am tall, so you have plenty of room up here. So they did a great job here in the bow. The bow actually is very well designed, and they did a real nice setup with it. Still have your anchor locker. This particular one does have the windlass in it and your swim ladder. And you also still have your bow shower. So you want to see this boat or any other boat, give me a call, us a call here at MarineMax Somers Point, 609-926-0600. See you on the board.